Okay, so let's solve the next LeetCode SQL problem 1873. Calculate special bonus, and it is easy category. It's 2 easy, very easy. So you have one table employee, you have employee ID, name, and the salary. You need to write a solution to calculate the bonus. So salary is given, you need to calculate a bonus. So they have mentioned how you need to calculate the bonus. The bonus of an employee is 100% of their salary. So basically, if salary is like as an example 3,000, then bonus is also 3,000. But only for their employees if the ID of the employee is an odd number and the employee name does not start with character M. Then the bonus is 100%. Otherwise the bonus is zero. So as an example, so here the letter start with M. So they said the letter should not start with the M. So basically for me, the bonus should be zero. So for 2 it should be zero. For Michael it should be 0, 3. A. So letter start with A. Okay, but does it match the second condition, that is ID should be odd. So ID is odd 7. So bonus should be 7,400, right? Same for like J, Juan, but ID, okay, the name doesn't start with M, which is fine, but the ID is not odd. So basically the bonus is zero. Here, does the letter start with M? No. And does the ID is odd? Yes. So both the condition met, and so the bonus is 7,700. So it's like easy category. So let's figure it out. So what you need employee ID. So select employee ID. You need bonus, right? And the bonus should be based upon some conditional, like if condition, like if the ID of an employee is, and we are doing in the PostgreSQL. So in the PostgreSQL, we have the conditional should be using case. All right, so we will use case. Okay, when you can say the ID, when employee ID modulus equal to 1. Basically it is odd, because if it is even, then the remainder is 0, but if it is odd, the remainder is 1, right? If employee ID is odd, they mention if the employee ID is odd and the employee name, okay, and name is like a name does not start with the letter M. So how you are going to check? Name not like M. So basically name doesn't start with M, right? Name not like M. Then it should be 100%. 100% means it should be salary only. Else 0 and end. And we will give this column as a name bonus, because they have mentioned it should be named as bonus. Bonus from employees table. So let's run that. So we get the output, right? But here also they have mentioned one thing, the result should be returned by order by employee ID. It's very easy. Just mention order by employee ID. Let's run that. Like it's working. That is one approach. The other approach is, so this is one. Let me put semicolon. The other approach, if you don't want to use the note like, so you can use the left function. So left of name comma 1. It is basically string function. So basically you are grabbing the string, left string from the input string, and how many left string? Just one. It should not be equal to M. It should not be equal to M, right? So let's try that. So that is also giving the same. So let's try both. So let's try to submit directly. So it's working. All the test cases, all the 23 test cases passed, and this is not like. Let's try with the left. So this is with the left. So let's try to submit. So this is also like working. So both approach is valid. So it's up to us which one want to use. Okay. So that's it. That's the end of the video, and thank you.